Okay. Once again, welcome to my channel. Okay, so for today, we're going to make chicken nuggets, the commercial chicken nuggets. So we have 4 sets of important ingredients. We have the meat material, okay, which is 70% lean chicken and 30% back fat of pork. Okay, next set of ingredients, we have the chilled water, salt, and phosphate. Okay, so we have to dissolve the salt and phosphate together in the here in the chilled water. Okay, we have to make sure that it is well mixed, well dissolved. Okay, next, so since it's well dissolved, okay, we have to hydrate the textured vegetable protein here in our chilled water. Okay, we'll wait for it to dissolve, okay, before we add the Versagel and the Qualicel. Okay, the seasonings that we need in this commercial chicken nuggets. So we have, of course, sesame oil, finely crushed, okay, finely chopped garlic. We have nutmeg, sugar, okay, then white pepper, MSG, which is optional if you don't like, and of course, as binder, we need what we call this, BF blend. Okay, since our TVP is already hydrated, you can now add the Qualicel, okay, and the Versagel. So these are our extenders. We have to dissolve the extenders together carefully. Okay, so be sure that it's well dissolved. Okay, so again, these are products of plants. Okay, so TVP is from agar-agar. The rest, they are bamboo fiber, and the other from corn. Okay, now, so just like in making the skinless longanisa, first we have to put little by little our curing mix. Be sure that you incorporate it well. Okay. To be sure that it is well blended. Okay. So that is for our curing mix. So again, for the curing mix, phosphate, then curing salt, and of course, chilled water. Okay. Mix until tacky. Okay. Next, we have to add the extenders. Of course, you have to be sure that everything is clean. Wash everything. Remember, good manufacturing practices, so that our finished product is safe, especially meat products. Because once we use contaminated things, it will really affect our finished product. And we do not want to be the cause of food poisoning of our loved ones. In my case, my loved ones will eat this later. So, we'll have this for dinner. Okay. Yan. Now, it's well mixed. Now, we'll add the sugar. The higher you add it, the more that you distribute it well. By the way, I use puto molders as my container for the small ingredients. Okay, then we can now add the nutmeg. Okay, this will add the flavor. Very good flavor to our nuggets. Oh, it smells good. Then, crushed garlic. In case you do not have fresh garlic, you can use garlic powder. But only instead of 1 tablespoon, 1.5 tablespoon, it will be 1 teaspoon if you're going to use powder, since it's more concentrated. Then we'll add our white pepper. Can we use black instead of white? Of course, you can. But white pepper gives a better smell. And it's finer. Okay. See? It's tacky already. Then you add okay, Ajinomoto, MSG, monosodium glutamate, to add what we call umami taste. And then we're going to add the sesame oil. Okay, so if we are making one recipe, we need 3 tablespoons. So since this is just 1/2, okay, so I will put 1.5 tablespoon of the sesame oil. Okay, the sesame oil will give the distinct taste for the nuggets. It's very fragrant. Okay, 1.5 tablespoon. By the way, it's a Chinese ingredient. In the Chinese cuisine, they almost always use sesame oil. Very fragrant. Okay, and of course, last, the binder. Okay, we will use BF blend. Okay. Yan. So, play go. We have to keep our workplace clean. So, mix well until tacky. Okay, then after this, we have to chill it because, you know, it's better and it's easier to mold the chicken nuggets if it is chilled. So, this time, I will cover it first with cling wrap, and I will refrigerate it until well chilled so I can mold it easier. Okay. You can steam this, and then you can pack it in polyethylene bags. Okay. Pack it in polyethylene bags, and you can fry it, or you can just reheat it in the microwave oven. There are some meat manufacturers there, right? Wherein their chicken nuggets are microwavable. You just have to microwave and it's ready to eat. So, those microwavable chicken nuggets, they are already steamed or pre-cooked. You can also fry and then uh, after frying, let it cool, pack, and have it for future use. Okay? So, this is it. As easy as this. Okay? So, this is our finished product.